So if you already have a created YouTube video and you want to add closed captioning to it, this is one way that you can do it. You can open up Google Docs and go to Tools and Voice Typing and get this little microphone here. And then you can play the video, make sure the volume on the computer is turned up as loud as it can be and the YouTube video is turned up as loud as it can be. And you're going to hit play and then turn on the microphone. And you're going to see it's not perfect, but I think it's still better than what YouTube creates.
In this video, we're going to talk about operations with radicals. We're going to add and subtract them, multiply them, and divide them. To add and subtract.
And so then you're going to have to go back and clean up what was not clear that I said and add periods. And then you can hit play again and hit this record. And I still think this is better than the YouTube way of doing it. I mean, it might depend on the clarity of the video. I had a stuffed up nose when I was doing this, so it may not be perfect. Okay, and so then what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the YouTube Studio and you're going to go to the video that you just closed captioned and you're going to click on the pencil and then you're going to click on subtitles and you're going to add subtitles and you're going to upload the file. Oh, I didn't show you that part. You're going to go to File, Download as a TXT file. And then you're going to upload that here without timing. So pick which one you downloaded, and then let's say it was this one. And then we click Publish. And it will automatically match up the words that were said in the transcript with the words in the video. It just takes a little bit of time to do that. So either way, you can either upload, you can play it and have Google Docs translate it, or you can also go to the ones that were already created here and try to edit it and see if it's better. I don't know. But this way of creating the transcript as you're actually recording the video will be faster if we do it as we're making the video than doing it in retrospect, if that makes sense. So going forward, I'm going to do it this way, where I create the transcript as we do it, and then we won't need to clean up the CC. That'll be much better. But for now, we'll have to go back to the videos that I already created and do it either this way or go back through what YouTube already created to clean it up.